Hey guys, today let's learn how to check follow requests that you have sent on the Instagram after the update. So if you guys want to go ahead and basically see all of the follow requests that you have sent on Instagram, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so basically what we can do in order to look for this is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application, tap on your profiles, and let's tap on the three lines up on the upper right corner of the screen. Next, let's tap on your activity, and when you try to locate where the follow requests that you sent is, it's not really going to be located here. Even if you see or try to look for it, you could actually go ahead and try to see the option that you could basically look for, but the best we can do is to tap on download your information and request for an information to download. You could actually view a complete copy and basically submit a request to basically send them a copy of your file of your information to your email. You can now proceed with actually looking for all of those people that you have followed, and from there you could proceed with checking them one by one. And if you want to go ahead and cancel the follow request, you could also do so by searching for their usernames. And that's how you guys could check the follow requests that you have sent on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.